Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. Yesterday I gave you Nifty 50 levels and those levels played out literally to the point. Okay, today at one of the key level, price took support within decimals to your surprise, and I'll show you. I'll Yes. So these were the levels. You can go back and refer to my previous video and see. Here is the opening of today's, and see right here, this is what is the high of this 23,589.20, and our key level was 23,590. So it is almost zero point 0.8 took the resistance within zero point 0.8 point and gave you beautiful fall right from here to here, almost 117 points. Then again it retraced, made a correction, gave you another fall of how much, 88 point, and then it reversed and reversed. As I told you, when the prices, our key levels, price breaks above our key levels in decisive manner or with the momentum, then it is genuine, and you can see that. Also I told you, when the key levels are clustered together, it is rather, we rather consider that cluster or range as a zone, resistance zone or support zone, rather than considering those separately. Okay, if you are going to the micro time frames, then you can consider them separately. And here, as you can see, how many candles? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 8 candles gave us a rally of 8 candles. Why? Because it gained momentum and crossed above this zone of 500 to 590, 23,500 to 590, and then it rested above above 23,600, somewhere here. So if you can get the mean, this is somewhere 700, 23,700. It rested around 23,700. Okay, so that's how today's price has played out. Key levels work in beautiful manner. Okay, so I'll delete these levels and let's go and get the levels for tomorrow. So I will delete this and get the levels for tomorrow. Let's run our code and see which levels our code fetches. First is 23,740. First is 23,740. Okay, then levels above are 23,940. Okay, levels above remain the same. Okay, levels above 23,940, 24,170, these levels remain same. See, 940, 170, 24,360, 420. 24 will add couple of more, 24,360 and 24,470. Is it 470 or 420? See, these are the levels for upside and downside first level is 23,500. 23,500. Second level is 22,940. 22,940. So these are the levels 22,940, and the second one is 22,670, as you can see, 22,670. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow. You can just I'll okay. These are the levels for tomorrow, for 15th of May. Okay, let's see how those levels play out tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.